All right, everybody, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always ready. What are we getting into today?
Well, I was thinking we could talk about something I think everyone uses pretty much every single day.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Lay it on me.
Microsoft Excel. Specifically, like hidden efficiency tricks.
Ooh, I like it. You mean those little things that you don't even realize are there, but can, totally change how you work?
Exactly. And we'll kick things off with something I bet you don't even think twice about. The Enter key.
The enter key, really? What's so special about that?
Okay, so think about it. You're in Excel, right? You're entering data, maybe formulas, and you're clicking the mouse every time you need to go to the next cell.
Yeah, I guess I do. Never really thought about it, though.
But see, the Enter key, it does way more than just finish a sentence or
I,
whatever.
I see where you're going with this. So it's like a shortcut.
Exactly. It confirms what you've entered, obviously, but it also, like, boom, takes you right down to the next cell in the column. No more mouse clicking needed.
Okay, yeah, that actually makes a lot of sense. Especially when you're dealing with massive spreadsheets. Imagine entering a whole column of numbers, just hitting enter, enter, enter.
Keeps you in the flow, right?
Yeah.
Way more efficient, probably more accurate, too, I'd imagine.
Absolutely. And it's not just enter either. Did you know about the tab key?
I do, yeah. Tab takes you across right, like left to right. Yep.
Yep, horizontally. So you can zip around the spreadsheet with just the keyboard.
So we've got these single keystrokes, Enter and Tab.
Hmm.
But what about bigger actions? Like, think about copying data between sheets or selecting huge chunks of cells. Those things can really eat up your time.
You're so right. I've definitely lost way too much time doing just that. But there are shortcuts for those too. Did you know you can use Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow to select a whole range of data instantly?
Whoa. Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow. Seriously.
Yep. No more dragging the mouse around forever or scrolling and clicking.
Okay, you just blew my mind with that one. What other navigation tricks am I missing out on?
Well, there are so many. Ctrl plus Home takes you back to the very beginning of the spreadsheet. Ctrl plus End jumps you to the last cell that has data. Then there's Ctrl plus Page Up Down to move between different sheets.
Okay, that's a lot of shortcuts to remember.
Yeah.
Any tips for, like, making them stick?
Start small. Just pick a few that'll help you the most and use them over and over until they become second nature. Maybe even make yourself a little cheat sheet to keep handy at first.
Cheat sheet, I like it. Practical. So for all our listeners out there who want to become Excel ninjas, what's like the key takeaway? What do you really want them to remember?
I think learning these shortcuts, it seems like a small thing, but it can totally change how you work in Excel. You free up so much time and energy when you're not bogged down with all those little tasks.
You can focus on the big picture stuff,
Right.
actually analyzing the data and making decisions based on it.
Exactly.
It's all about working smarter, not harder, right?
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So everyone listening, next time you're in Excel, give those keyboard shortcuts a try. Start with Enter and Tab and see how much smoother things go.
And who knows, maybe you'll discover some other hidden gems while you're at it.
That's it for today's deep dive. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.